Hello everyone, welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Eat the first meal of 2024. Go to a restaurant that I like very much. Already introduced before. The oysters and coconut chicken are both very delicious. My first meal this year. This restaurant is my first choice. See if the level has deteriorated. Arrive at Suiwei, Shenzhen. It's Xiao. I really want to eat that wooden barrel oyster again. Especially the first meal of 2024. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Avoid lunchtime. Because I hate queuing. I recommend this rice bucket original fresh oysters. It's a must-try item here. It's cooked but still retains the texture and umami flavor of an oyster. Last time I tried coconut chicken. This time I tried grilled fish with perilla basa. Junction is also a must-try item. I don't know its official scientific name. It's hard to see in Hong Kong. Crispy and sweet, a must-try. The quality of fried rice noodles depends on the chef's mood that day. When you are in a good mood, it tastes very good. I originally wanted to see the size of the emperor oysters, but it has been sold out and new goods have not arrived yet. I hope I can try it next time. Ordered some BBQ. Chinese chives. Sea shrimp. If don't have enough food, order again. This is the fragrant snail cat's eye snail. The meat is juicy, fresh and sweet. Recommend you to try it. Discard the liver and intestines. The snail meat is huge. Very few internal organs. Recommend dipping it with sashimi soy sauce and wasabi. Just a small amount is enough. Have eaten before. Very delicious. I have to eat it every time I come here. Must eat items. The snail meat this time is very plump. It must be related to winter. Wow, so fat. Very rich flavor. The taste is not too soft. It takes some force to bite it off. Very satisfied. Everyone must try. This is grilled shrimp. It is recommended that you do not peel shrimp shells. Just bite it open. Because the seasonings are all stuck to the shrimp shells, bite its shell directly. This way you can taste all its flavors. If you peel off the shrimp shells, the flavor will be reduced by half. I don't like eating shrimp heads. Discard the shrimp heads. Bite the shrimp shell directly with your mouth. Wow! The shrimp shell is very thin and not hard. You can also eat shrimp shells. This is delicious. Delicious. Moderately seasoned, not too salty. Slightly spicy. The taste is crispy. It is recommended to eat the shrimp shells together. The waiter opened the oysters for us. Very plump. I can't stand it anymore. Why do I like this way of cooking? Because it can cook the oysters while maintaining their freshness. Eat more safely. What kind of oyster is this? Shandong Russian oysters. This oyster is very famous. Zhangjiang oysters and Taishan oysters are also very famous. Look at its size. As long as a lighter. much wider than a lighter. I can't stand for it. I like it with a little wasabi. Add a little soy sauce. My favorite way to eat it. I'm looking forward to it. I haven't eaten oysters here in a few months. Wow. Very plump. Cooked oysters are safe to eat, but still maintains the taste and texture of oysters. Don't waste oyster juice either. Wow. Incredible. This is grilled pangasius. The waiter said it was not a soba-based fish. The waiter didn't know its variety either. I only know it's called bossa fish. Search for information online. It turns out to be Vietnamese catfish. There are coriander, baby cabbage, radish, tofu skin. Tofu skin is one of my favorite foods. This is a spicy dish. And konjac. The protagonist is pangasius Vietnamese catfish. Set aside the ingredients. The protagonist is pangasius Vietnamese catfish. Try a small amount. Wow. The skin is very crispy. The fish meat is still very tender and smooth. Absorb the spicy soup. Can't stop eating. Wow. The part on the edge is fried very crispy and is the most delicious. I can't help it. This part of the fish is incredible. The taste is crispy and absorbs the soup. If you like more spicy, this level of spiciness will not satisfy you. Its spiciness is only slightly spicy. You can also ask the chef to increase the spiciness. This level of spiciness is suitable for most Hong Kong people. This is fried rice noodles. Unstable level. It depends on the chef's mood that day. When the level is normal, the taste is very good. This time the level is normal. The standard this time is very normal, and the price is only more than 10 yuan. This is perfect to eat with grilled fish. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you all.